In order to make more professional videos, you have to understand one trick that most creators and most elite creators understand that you need to apply in your content today. And that simple trick and that simple secret could lead to more watch time and increase your ability to go viral because of the simple fact that it makes a better connection with your audience, which is creating better B-roll. Most small creators don't really understand B-roll and why is it really important. After making 150 videos, I understood that B-roll is the way that we creators connect visually with the audience, and that makes a huge difference in retention and watchability of your video. And the higher quality your b-roll is, the more you'll be able to connect better with your audience, because we as creators have two senses that we connect with the people who watches our videos. We have the visual aspect and we have the hearing aspect. So in order to upgrade your b-roll and have more cinematic and more pleasing videos to watch, here's 3 things that you need to look out for when creating your own b-roll. Number 1 is planning. Planning your b-roll is something very important because it could help you a lot understand what you're going to shoot and how are you going to shoot it exactly. That's why creating a shot list for every YouTube video that you make specifically for that YouTube video is something really important to save a lot of confusion and have a clear vision of how are you going to really edit that video, or have a vision to how are you going to show the viewer that something that you want to tell. And the best way to create a short list is extract b-rolls from your script, and you better have a script for your video if you want a more engaging video with your audience, because when you talk randomly in front of the camera, your ability to create and plan your short list will be extremely harder. That's why having a symbol or even an outline for your video is extremely important when creating a shot list. And then when you actually create that shot list, you can go and look for inspiration in other creators' videos, and that could really help you understand the second step of creating engaging videos, which is, and by the way, if you want to save time planning your next YouTube video, you can check my Launch OS in the description below. Now, the second step to create more engaging b-roll is understand lighting. Most small creators or beginner creators really misunderstand the quality of the video, and they think that the most important thing that they should upgrade when to create more engaging and more high quality videos is upgrade their camera or upgrade their setup or upgrade something that is not really related to creating engaging b-roll. So understanding how to create more engaging videos is simply broken down into 3 things. The first one is composition, which is a standard cinematic aspect or rule that you need to apply in every type of b-roll that you shoot, unless you want to do something random that could break the cycle of attention for any viewer who watches your video. Now, the second thing is seamlessness, and creating that symmetry will make your videos more engaging because it has some type of beauty and actual seamlessness that makes it easier to watch and easier to understand. Now, the third one is creating from different angles. When you want to create your own b-roll, the most important thing that you need to understand that having different type of shots to the same scene can make a huge difference. If I want to show you me scripting my video, it will be easier and more entertaining for any viewer to watch me script my own videos from different angles, which increases pattern interrupts for any viewer who watches your video. Therefore, retention and watch time will go higher and higher. Now, the third and the most important thing that you need to understand in order to really be a master in creating your own b-roll: practice. Practice is the most important skill and the most important thing that you need to do every time you create a YouTube video. You need to practice different shots, experiment with lighting, and experiment with different shot angles, and that will increase your ability to really understand your limits and really understand what you're lacking of in the content creation game. And this is something really important. Now, the best part about creating a YouTube video is editing the videos. Therefore, if you want to upgrade your editing skills, watch this video because it could help you be a better content creator. Now, thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe.